I've been trying, I've been pushing, but nothing's going right. Every door I thought was open closes every time. I'm tired of the waiting, tired of the strain. God, I don't have the answers, just this weight and this pain. When I'm losing all my patience and I don't understand, Jesus, you are steady, even when I can't. In my frustration, I call your name. Jesus, meet me in this place. When I feel like I can't go on, God, remind me I'm not alone. In every question, every delay, you're still working in your way, even when I cannot see. Jesus, you are holding me. I've been running in circles, trying to control every piece of my future, but it's breaking my soul. So I'm laying it down now. Every fear, every plan, God, I trust you with the timing, even when I don't understand. When I'm standing at the limit and I'm close to giving in, Jesus, speak into the silence. Let your peace begin. In my frustration, I call your name. Jesus, meet me in this place. When I feel like I can't go on, God, remind me I'm not alone. In every question, every delay, you're still working in your way, even when I cannot see. Jesus, you are holding me. Jesus, oh God, you're bigger than my struggle. Jesus, greater than my doubt. Even when I feel surrounded, you are working it all out. Teach my heart to keep on trusting when I don't know what to do. In the middle of my frustration, I will turn my eyes to you. In my frustration, I call your name. Jesus, you will make a way. When I feel like I've lost control,